All right, welcome back to Two Stupid Guys Trade Stocks. I'm Vinny.
I'm Dylan. Today we are kind of doing an update of our Stim account deal and how I blew up my account doing a YOLO trade. Let's go. I felt left out.
Hey, it happens, my man. If you guys enjoy this kind of entertaining stock market content of two stupid guys trading stocks, by all means, give us a like and subscribe below. This is the most stupid video we've done so far, so we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
Two stupid guys trade stocks.
All right.
All
So
right.
a lot of red there, Dylan.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So for those of our people who are watching this Stim account video, is basically me and Vinny took a $1,400 Stim check, and then we started off kind of just trading it, and then basically Vinny is doing the very small coordinated options trades, and then I am just doing something I've always wanted to do because that's what people do in Wallstreet Bets, which is just kind of be as dumb as possible and just YOLO the stupidest stuff ever. So that's why whenever we show these, we say, hey, don't do this. I don't trade like this on my normal account. This is stupid.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, this is entirely experimental.
Yes.
I
I put this chat in here. I was thinking of what can I do? Because like my account was all over the place. I was 1,400 at 2,200 down to 1 point, down to 700, back to 1,900. It's just absurd. When you only have 1,400 cash to work with, that's just ridiculous.
Yeah, that's absolutely insane.
So I said, I'm looking at my Stim account. The whole point of this is to be stupid as hell. So I'm gonna do something stupid as hell. It's what is it? I doubled down on BABA calls when they were on the way down. So they just kept going down.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that hurts, man. That
down to 478. You know what the good news is?
You're all cash. Is that the good news?
I have no need to ever attempt this in my regular account. I've never tried it, but I've always been man, just one trade.
Yeah.
One trade, I could easily double. I could go from 50 to 300. One trade. Now I know this is not a good call. This is not a good idea.
Yeah, this is usually what happens. This is qualifies as loss porn on Wallstreet Bets.
Yeah, it's not enough money. We're doing it with a very small amount of money.
Yeah, you have to go down to negative to 100% loss though before that's truly acceptable.
I'll do it. I'm just waiting for something very specific to happen. I have one trade in mind. I'm just waiting for to set up.
Okay.
And I'll either go to 2,000 or 0 within 2 days.
Perfect.
So yeah,
well.
That's the point. I'm supposed to be the YOLO guy.
Wow. I mean, sure.
For those of you who in the last videos were I'm putting my money on Dylan, I'm pretty sure I responded, I'm putting my money on Vinny. I did that for a reason. So wasn't a good call.
Oh, I gotta love it. Well, I had a rough month too, actually. Las Vegas Sands, yeah, I lost over $250 in a month. I swung from positive 4% or 5% to negative 14%. It was a rough month for me, actually, too.
I don't even talk in that small a percentage. It's just 40 or more.
Well, most of the loss comes from this Las Vegas Sands. This is a poor man's covered call, and unfortunately, I entered this. So, I'm still okay with it because my long option doesn't expire until March. But this went from having about $2 of intrinsic value being in the money by $2 to out of the money entirely right now, which is definitely not a great swing. The good news is my short option made me a little bit of money, I guess, that way. This is a play I just put on actually last week to kind of hopefully make back. If this holds true, I'll be back to basically even. So I actually put a bearish bet on Tesla, which I know a lot of people will tell you is absolute insanity too. It's my version of a YOLO. So
your version of it, can't you only lose $100 or something?
280 would be my max loss in this position.
Dude, double it. Go for
it. So this did a Tesla credit spread, 800, 805 credit spread, currently trading around 780. And sorry, ignore this August 6th date. I don't know where that came from. But I collected $218 in credit to open the spread, and my max loss would be 282 for about 2 weeks of time. So that's a sizable gain if it actually works out.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah. We'll see. Otherwise, it might be we both blew up our account in the next next challenge.
Go to the. Well, the important thing is we don't do this with a regular account. Go to the leaderboard real quick.
All right. That's.
I just put dead. I'm screwed.
Maybe not.
What I'm gonna do is like on the next like really big, like down day on the queues, I'm just gonna throw it all on a call. Just pray. Just hope for something to happen.
Yeah.
The next slide's pretty funny.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's just down. It's just I actually had to adjust the y-axis parameters so you can see my point.
Jesus. Yeah, man, it happens. So, like I said, I was definitely not expecting that massive move downward in Las Vegas Sands, but sometimes this is the cards you're dealt. The good news is I closed my Carnival Cruise Line poor man's covered call for like a 20% profit in like 2 weeks.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy a penny stock.
Yeah, might as well.
Yeah, probably. How's Luck and Coffee doing?
Well, I don't know if they can go down.
The potential gain on that has got to be crazy.
Maybe Evergrande, maybe some of their shares.
Okay, I can try that. Are they? They're not tradable in the U.S., are they?
I'm not sure actually.
I'll buy some Evergrande shares. That doesn't seem like a bad idea.
Yeah, why not?
I'll go for it.
Yeah. All right, guys.
All right, guys.
Well, let us know what you think about this update.
Yeah.
Okay.
Later.
Catch you in the next one.